In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Often, when working with data in spreadsheets, you might find that duplicate entries clutter your information, making it difficult to analyze or present. Fortunately, Google Sheets provides a simple way to clean up your data and ensure that each entry is unique. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll share some tips along the way to help you get the most out of this feature. First things first, you'll need to open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you have your dataset ready and accessible. Having your document open and ready to go ensures that you can follow along with these steps seamlessly. Next, you need to select the range of cells where you want to identify and remove duplicate entries. You can click and drag over the cells, or if your dataset is quite large, you can click on the first cell, hold the Shift key, and then select the last cell to cover the entire range. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct range to avoid any accidental deletions. Once you've highlighted the desired cells, look towards the top of your Google Sheets interface and click on the Data menu. This menu hosts various data manipulation functions that are invaluable for organizing your spreadsheet content. After clicking Data, you'll want to hover over Data Cleanup. This will reveal additional options related to cleaning up your data, making it more manageable and visually appealing. Among the new options, you should see Remove Duplicates. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a dialog window to appear. This window is where you'll be able to specify your preferences for duplicate removal. In the dialog window, there's an option to indicate whether your data has a header row. If the first row of your selected range contains headers, make sure this box is checked. This ensures that header rows are not inadvertently removed and that the operation applies only to the data itself. Now comes the step where you decide which columns to include when searching for duplicates. Depending on your needs, you might want to focus on specific columns that identify unique entries, such as email addresses or product IDs, rather than the entire row. Finally, once you've set all your preferences, simply click the Remove Duplicates button. This will initiate the process, and Google Sheets will comb through your selected range to remove any repeated entries, giving you a cleaner, more concise dataset. And there you have it. You've successfully removed duplicates from your Google Sheets document. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining data integrity and ensuring that your insights are based on accurate and distinct information. Don't forget that you can always undo the changes if needed, using the Undo button at the top of the sheet, or by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll become a pro at keeping your spreadsheets clean and professional. Thanks for watching.